Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials in place and taking your first actionable steps. Load Seaborn, Pandas, and Matplotlib, then read your CSV into a data frame. Once done, inspect types and missing values so you know which plotting functions fit. Make sure to set a theme early with SNS. Set theme, context equals notebook, to establish consistent styling. Now create a minimal example plot call so you confirm everything runs, SNS. Histplot, DF column. This confirms your environment and data are ready. You now decide which visualization answers your question and why it fits. For distributions, use histplot or KDE. For relationships, use scatterplot with hue to separate groups. Once chosen, map aesthetics like hue, size, and palette to encode variables visually and improve pattern detection. Make sure to tweak bins, jitter, or estimator arguments for clarity. Then refine axes labels, title, and legend positions using Matplotlib calls. If you need subplots, use SNS, facet grid or PLT, subplots, and iterate to populate each panel. You finish by finalizing aesthetics, saving output, and applying a key troubleshooting tip. After adjusting figure size and layout, save high-resolution images with PLT. Save fig and confirm formats. Once done, document the pipeline so you can reproduce the same plots. If things go wrong, first check data types and missing values, then reduce sample size or aggregate values to speed rendering. Make sure to test with a small example plot. That isolates issues quickly and keeps your workflow moving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.